You'll never get rich in your 20s if you keep wasting money on these three things. First is your lifestyle. Most people make it, spend it, make it, spend it, and have nothing to show for it. Second, a house. Most people in their 20s aren't married, so they don't need to buy a family home. Instead, buy rental properties and make some passive income. Third is a car. Most people finance a luxury vehicle with money they don't have to impress people they don't even like. Instead, buy a cheap second-hand car and you'll have the last laugh.
But the reason I had to learn to raise money was because I had no money. And so if you read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, in there, my rich dad always said, never say, I can't afford it. And it was my rich dad and many of my teachers subsequent to that. They said, lazy people always say, I can't afford it. I don't have the money. That's why they're poor. They have a poor mindset.
Should I put all my money in Bitcoin?
No, it's extremely unstable.
How about all of it in real estate?
No, what if you can't find tenants?
How about I put it into stocks then?
No, the market could crash.
So I shouldn't invest in anything?
No, you should invest in everything so you have a diversified portfolio.
Hey, Sarah. I've been thinking about our upcoming vacation. Have you started saving money for it?
Yes, I have. I've set up a separate savings account specifically for our trip. I'm putting aside a portion of my paycheck each month.
That's a great idea. I'm doing something similar. I've been cutting back on unnecessary expenses to save more.
Would you recommend investing in oil then? Is that something that you personally invest in?
Let me just say it again, I used to be on CNBC, but I say I don't invest in anything they can print. I don't invest in this, stocks, bonds, ETFs. I'm an entrepreneur. I start gold mines, I start oil wells. I invest in cattle, Wagyu cattle.
Yeah.
You know why? Because every time the that the Wagyu bull breeds, I get cash flow. I trust the Wagyu cattle more than Joe Biden.
I've told students, if when they got out of school, they got a punch card with 20 punches on it, and that's all the investment decisions they got to make in their entire life, they would get very rich because they would think very hard about each one. And you don't need 20 right decisions to get very rich. 4 or 5 will probably do it over time.
Poor people usually spend their money and invest what's left. That's the philosophy of the poor. Now here's the philosophy of the rich. Rich people invest their money and spend what's left. And here's the startling answer. It really doesn't matter what the amount is. What's most important is not the amount. What's really important is the philosophy. So I would ask you to adopt this philosophy of spending after you have invested. Invest first, then spend.
What is the best financial advice you've ever received?
Invest in assets, not liabilities.
What is the worst financial advice you've ever received?
The way to build wealth is saving your money.
So true. Third question. What is something you used to value that you don't anymore?
Material things.
What is something that you think people think is important when it comes to money, but you realize that's not really the right focus?
Net worth. Net worth is a crap indicator of real success.